and yours truly, and many, many more. This film is directed by R.C. De Los Reyes. Okay, so ito na po yung ilan natin mga artists na tatawagin. Introduce yourself and bumati ka na sa ating audience.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Reiki Paraisa and I'm dito as student.
Okay, our guests are here! Alright, so what's the next natin photo wall for your photo? Tapos, join us here on stage. Carpet walk, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, let us welcome Phoebe Villamor, Rog Prado, and Donna May! Yan ang musika, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan na po. Ay, alam ko na. Kasabay ako. Okay. Ating passport, welcome to the stage. Ayan. Go ahead guys, introduce yourself, say hi to everybody.
Hi guys! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Rog Prado.
Hi, I am Phoebe Villamor. I hope you guys are having a great night and such as hail the night. Hello everyone, I'm Donna May. I hope you guys are enjoying.
Ayan. Ito may question ako para sa inyo. Ano ang ina-expect niyo sa pelikula natin ito?
Despite like all of the things that are happening right now, I feel like I'm expecting to laugh,
Oy.
expecting to cry,
Oh.
and of course learn to love and learn lessons from this
Very
movie.
nice. Anything else?
I think my experience ko lahat ng emotions throughout this movie, and I'm really excited. And I hope lahat tayo mag-enjoy watching this movie.
That's right. Oh guys, Rog, ikaw. Oo naman, Rog, of course.
Kasi puro English yun.
Hindi Tagalog, pwede tayo mag-Tagalog. No problem.
Kim and Gerald, dun pa lang panalo.
Yun palang panalo.
Sulit na sulit.
Napakagandang sagot nun. Guys, why don't you invite everyone na panoorin ang Wonderful Nightmare sa showing niya in Cinema Station Right. Go ahead.
I'm inviting you guys to watch Wonderful Nightmare this April 4 na. I hope this movie shows love and despite everything na nangyayari, I hope na mapasaya kayo. Of course, this is starring Kuya Gerald and Ate Kim. So,
Yes.
they never fail to make us laugh and happy. So, at saka sobrang galing nila. So, I hope you guys enjoy the movie. And this movie will make us all laugh. Kaya please do watch this April 4 Wonderful Nightmare. Well, thank you.
Go ahead, Rog.
Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin Wonderful Nightmare. April 4 po yan sa lahat ng mga SM Cinemas. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga artists. Cast po natin sa ating pelikula Wonderful Nightmare. Go ahead. Dito po tayo. And syempre, eto na. Hindi niyo po alam siguro, kasama din po ang inyong lingkod sa kaso. Alright, maraming salamat po. Go ahead, Direk. Kim, Jen, go ahead po.
Okay, sa lahat po naman nito ngayon sa family namin na kasama, pagkakita namin, at sa mga manonood, maraming salamat po sa pagtitikin ng inyong oras na makasama kami sa bago naming pelikula, ang Wonderful Nightmare, mula sa Viva Films. Of course, gusto ko din magpasalamat muna sa production staff na nandito ngayon.
I'm lost in the way you move, got me stuck